Struggling to create videos or get traffic for your affiliate offers? What if I told you you could make professional videos, complete with scripts, visuals, voiceovers, captions, and music in just a few minutes without spending a dime on ads or hiring anyone? Stick around because this tool might change the way you make videos forever. Here's my first impression. ClipsPro AI is a cloud-based video creation tool that handles everything from script writing to video publishing. It's beginner-friendly, fast, and literally designed for people who don't know where to start. No editing skills required, no expensive software, and it works for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I think this is a game changer for new affiliate marketers, especially if you don't have a list or ad budget yet. So what exactly is ClipsPro AI? It's an all-in-one AI-powered video tool that helps you generate high-converting video scripts automatically, create visuals and scenes that match your script, add human-like AI voiceovers in multiple languages, auto-generate captions and subtitles to boost watch time, add background music and format videos for any platform with one click. Basically, it takes all the pain out of video creation. It's perfect for beginners, affiliate marketers, small business owners, or anyone who wants to grow traffic without tech headaches. And the best part? You can start creating videos in minutes. Let's take a look at the dashboard. On the left, you have your project tabs where you can start a new video. Step 1, you enter your idea, keyword, or a link. The AI automatically writes a script for you. Step 2, it generates visuals and scenes that perfectly match your script. You don't need stock photos or video footage. Step 3, you add an AI voiceover. It's natural sounding, supports multiple languages, and even dubs go script for global reach. Then you can auto-generate captions and subtitles, add music, and export your video in any aspect ratio for Reels, Shorts, TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook. If you want, you can also publish directly to your WordPress site or social platforms. Everything is fast, beginner-friendly, and automated.
How would it feel if you could create tons of mesmerizing faceless videos in just 3 clicks, even when you're enjoying in the mountains or sipping your favorite cappuccino? And ultimately, get 10x more audience engagement and conversion without doing anything by your side. And the coolest part, you could put this on repeat mode and create stunning faceless video for days, weeks, months, and even years to come on red-hot topics with just 3 clicks of your mouse. I'm talking about a revolutionary technology that uses artificial intelligence to create mind-blowing faceless videos for any offer in any niche, without investing tons of hours or paying tons of money to expensive freelancers. Unless you're living on Mars, you must be aware that faceless videos are the next big thing in the customer engagement universe. And more than 62% of Fortune 500 companies are already using them secretly in their marketing arsenal to get maximum audience hooked. Check out the following numbers that amazed us as well. 98% marketers in USA will increase their faceless videos expenses in Q4 2024. Brands using faceless videos get 1.5x more engagement compared to the outdated ones. More than 46% videos trending currently are faceless videos. 1 out of 4 customers hits call to action button used with the faceless videos. Marketers using faceless videos get 125% more viewership on all offers compared to normal videos. 87% marketers in UK confess seeing high ROI on their video marketing campaigns after using faceless video. So, it's crystal clear that creating and selling faceless videos online is a widely untapped opportunity, and marketers can bank in big by tapping into this huge industry. Now, if you too are willing to grab your pie from this huge opportunity, I've got some great news for you today. Proudly presenting
ClipsPro AI.
World's first AI tech, transforms any keyword into stunning faceless videos for any niche and language in 60 seconds or less, without writing scripts, without creating videos, without recording voiceovers, or without purchasing expensive tools. With this by your side, creating and selling attention, grabbing faceless videos for any offer in any niche becomes a cakewalk. Just follow 3 easy steps to get started. Step 1. Login. To get started, just log into this masterpiece and be on the fast track to success, using artificial intelligence to create stunning faceless videos that your audience simply love. Step 2. Insert keyword. Now, insert the keyword for which you're looking to create a video, and watch our proprietary AI tech create stunning, mind-blowing faceless video in a few clicks of your mouse. Remember, no wasting hours manually writing scripts, creating boring videos, or recording voiceovers. Step 3. Sell and profit. Boom, you're done. Now share or embed these industry-leading faceless videos on top social media platforms and see boatloads of dollars flowing in like never before. Want to know more? Check out some of the game-changing features inside
ClipsPro AI.
First-to-market AI tech converts any text into mind-blowing faceless videos. AI instantly creates faceless videos without you even lifting a finger. AI creates attention-grabbing graphics and images for your videos. AI creates 10x more engaging video scripts. AI creates 100% human-like voice-over for your faceless videos. Create stunning pro-level faceless videos for any offer in any niche. Let AI drive free traffic daily on your videos for any niche, keyword, or market. Generate and embed your videos anywhere you want in 3 clicks. Export your videos and upload on YouTube, Instagram, and other top social giants with 0 copyright claims. Multi-language supported videos that help boost your global presence. AI creates auto subtitles and captions to get 10x audience attention. Get 10x more traction by embedding your stunning videos anywhere you like. Instantly reach out to red-hot prospects and convert them into lifetime buyers. 0 video creation, 0 voice-over recording, 0 third parties, and 0 freelancers needed. Nothing to download, install, or customize. Get started in seconds, and tons of other benefits when you grab your copy. Also, during this exclusive launch deal, you're also getting our limited time commercial license for no additional fee to provide high-in-demand faceless video creation services to hungry clients and bank in big. So be sure to take advantage of this while it's available at this crazy low one-time discounted price. Also, if you grab your copy today, you get premium bonuses worth $18,458 completely for free. As always, your purchase is backed by our rock-solid 30-day guarantee. There's no risk whatsoever attached. You'll also receive easy-to-understand video training and round-the-clock support from our excellent customer service team. Take my word, this is truly a game changer, and there is nothing like this out there at such a low price. Don't forget, this is a limited time offer and will be taken down at any moment of time. So don't wait. Hit the button below to get instant access to
ClipsPro AI.
right now. Good luck, and we look forward to help you build AI-based attention-grabbing faceless videos and get 10x audience attention hands down.
ClipsPro AI also has optional upgrades. Pro Unlimited lets you create unlimited videos, scripts, and visuals with faster processing for heavy users. Pricing is around $47 to $67. Automation Upgrade puts video creation on autopilot, generating scripts, visuals, and captions automatically. Perfect if you want daily or weekly content without lifting a finger. Costs around $67 to $97. Multi-language and dubbing unlocks translation and dubbing, helping you reach global audiences. That one's $47. Agency/commercial lets you create videos for clients and charge for services priced between $97 and $197. White Label lets you rebrand the software as your own SaaS product and keep 100% of the profits, priced $297 to $497. Traffic and Training Vault gives you step-by-step traffic strategies and monetization tips for $37 to $67. These upgrades are optional but powerful if you're serious about scaling your content. When you get ClipsPro AI through the link below, I'm also giving you exclusive bonuses to get results faster. WP Slideshow Master. Make stunning slideshows to boost engagement. Lead Book Generator. Automatically add Facebook leads to your email list. WP Email Timer Plus. Countdown timers to increase conversions. Conversion Equalizer. Improve your ad conversions effortlessly. Sales Page Recycler. Reuse sales pages in multiple funnels. Action Poll. Segment your email list for higher opt-in rates. Article Analyzer. Optimize content for search engine traffic. Slide Up Bar Plugin. Build your mailing list with attractive opt-ins. WP Video Focus. Keep visitors engaged with video widgets. PowerList Pro. Build email lists on autopilot with exit and entry pop-ups. All these bonuses are exclusive and will not be available forever. They're designed to complement ClipsPro AI and help you get traffic, leads, and sales faster. Here's the bottom line. ClipsPro AI makes video creation ridiculously easy. If you're a beginner struggling with tech or an affiliate marketer without a budget, this tool solves your biggest problem. But remember, the bonuses are limited. They'll only be available for the next 48 hours or to the first 25 buyers. So if you want access to ClipsPro AI plus my exclusive bonus stack, click the link below now before it's too late. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check the description for the link to ClipsPro AI and your exclusive bonuses. Once you grab it, everything will be delivered instantly, so you can start creating high-converting videos today.